2009 has been without a doubt the year of the house. I'm Michael Polsler, Executive Vice President at RE/MAX Ontario Atlantic Canada, and I'm here to talk about our housing market outlook for 2009 and 2010. Housing proved to be a safe harbor throughout much of the year. Rock-bottom rates fueled much of the activity, but the value that Canadians placed in owning a home was equally important. Why? Let's take a look at the stats. The average price of a Canadian home will climb 5% this year, settling in at $318,000. Nationally, sales will climb to 465,000 transactions. The same story plays out across the country. Housing values in 74% of Canadian markets will remain stable or increase. 61% of markets will see sales climb. This in spite of the worst recession since the Great Depression. I promise you, your stock portfolio didn't do this well. Let's look at some of the highlights. Greater Toronto will post its second best year on record for housing sales. Ottawa is weeks away from shattering the existing record in sales set for 2007. St. John's will once again lead the country in terms of price appreciation, and we've only just begun. The momentum evident in markets across the country at year-end should position real estate for greater acceleration in 2010. The average price of a Canadian home will top $325,000. The number of homes sold nationally will edge close to 500,000 in 2010. Recovery will continue from coast to coast. Sales will increase in 83% of markets by year-end, and 91% of markets will see prices rise. The outlook moving forward is bright. Balanced market conditions should prevail in 2010. Inventory, as always, will be the wild card. All bets are off if supply is tight. The worst is behind us. There may be some bumps along the road, but real estate will continue to be a solid investment, both financially and emotionally. As markets move onward and upward, the last recession will register as little more than a blip in most places. For a more in-depth look at the RE/MAX housing market outlook, I invite you to visit our media newsroom at remax-oa.com.